If you've ever struggled to track your document status from sent to signed, you know how frustrating it can be to stay in the loop with your clients or colleagues. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you the fastest and easiest way to track a document's status, so you never have to wonder where things stand again. Stick around to the end to learn how you can streamline the entire process with a simple tool, and I'll share an exclusive free trial just for you. To track your document status from sent to signed, first you'll want to pick a tool that offers real-time tracking and notifications. The software we'll be using today is one that I've tested against some of the most popular platforms available, and it provides a straightforward solution that will save you tons of time. I'll leave a link for an exclusive free trial in the description below if you want to follow along. Once you've uploaded your document to the platform, you should immediately see an option to send it for signature. The key feature to look for here is a Track Status or View Progress tab. This allows you to check the document's progress at any stage, from sent to viewed, and finally signed. As soon as your recipient opens the document, you'll get a real-time notification letting you know exactly when they've looked at it, which is a huge time saver. In addition to the basic tracking, you'll also be able to set reminders. This is a must if you're dealing with time-sensitive documents. The software we're using today allows you to automatically send follow-up emails to remind your recipient to sign, which can really help move things along. Just set your parameters, and the system will handle the rest. Now, if you're worried about security, and you should be, especially with important documents, most of these tools offer encryption and secure signing features that protect your files. This means you can track the document status from sent to signed without worrying about unauthorized access. A really handy feature is the ability to send documents to multiple recipients and track each individual status. If you're working with a team or multiple stakeholders, this allows you to see exactly who signed and who still needs to take action. It's all about efficiency, and this feature will make your life so much easier. At this point, you've got your document sent, tracked, and signed. But here's something that will help you get the most out of the software. Make sure you explore the reporting options. Most platforms will generate a completion report that you can easily export, which helps with keeping your records straight for auditing purposes or just general peace of mind. Now, the key takeaway here is that tracking document status from sent to signed doesn't need to be complicated. With the right software, you can streamline this entire process, save time, and keep things secure. It's all about finding the tool that works best for you, and the software I'm recommending today is by far one of the most efficient options I've come across. To quickly recap, start by choosing a reliable tool, upload your document, track its status in real time, set reminders, and make use of the security features. With everything automated, all you need to do is focus on the task at hand and let the software do the heavy lifting. Before I wrap up, remember to grab your exclusive free trial in the description below if you want to follow along. I'm Dan Thorne, and I hope this quick guide helps you stay on top of your document status from sent to signed every time. Thanks for watching.